Hello and welcome. Today I will demonstrate the scan-to-scan automation macro that helps automate scan-to-scan inspection within Geomagic Control-X. It was written in conjunction between Digital Scan 3D and 3D Systems. Here we have the macro window. Its simple user interface allows you to choose what type of inspection you wish to do, between a one reference to many scans or a one-to-one reference comparison between a reference file and a scan STL file. For this demonstration, we will do a one-to-one comparison. Now we can select where both our reference STL files and our scan STL files are, and where we want our reports to be exported to, and where we want to save out our scans once we're done inspecting them. As you can see, I have my folders selected now, and you'll notice that the directory path is shown. We also have the option to auto-clean the scans. This is helpful for noisy scan data sets. For the purposes of this demo, I will uncheck this. At this point, it is as simple as pressing play and letting the macro do its thing. There's also a troubleshoot button to help diagnose common issues, and also an abort button to stop the macro if need be. What it is doing now is that it will launch Control-X and create template files from the reference STL files that the scans will be compared to. For this demo, we have two reference files. Therefore, for both of them, it will import the reference STL file into Control-X and move to the reference location and save out the Control-X file, which will then be treated as a template file. Once the templates have been completed, the macro will automatically download the scans and compare them to the created template files. At this point, it is working on the actual inspection, comparing the current scan to its associated reference STL file. At the bottom of the main macro window, you'll notice that how many files have been downloaded and how many reports have been exported as well. Once complete, the macro will let the user know that all inspections have been completed and will remind the user where the reports have been exported out to. At this point, we can reselect folders and rerun the macro. If we look into the folder where we put out the reports, here we have our two reports and our associated Control-X files. Let us go ahead and look at one of them. As we can see here, we have our report and its associated model and tolerance color bar, as well as our pass-fail. Most of the part is way out of tolerance. Let us look at the other part. This part was also 3D printed, but this part was printed at a better resolution. It is still out of tolerance a bit, but it is within an acceptable range where we can repair it. At this point, we would be able to recognize that we would need to improve our manufacturing capabilities or manufacturing process. That is the scan-to-scan automation macro. Thank you for your time.